Well, we did it. We hit 50,000 subs. And now it's time to celebrate. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And join the family. Just come on in. Come on. Come on. This is where you belong. I even poured you one of these. So yeah, that's right, man. We hit 50. I'm gonna pull my chair up. You mind if I pull my chair up? We hit 50,000 subscribers. And man, has it been a long road. But we can finally sit down and relax. Oh, can we? No way. We ain't stopping here. I love each and every one of yous. Thank you for joining us every week. So I poured you a glass. Here, you take this right there. Take that. That's for you. Nothing but the good stuff. And for me. And let's give ourselves a cheers. But yeah, we hit 50,000 subscribers. And man, I tell you what. We did a lot faster than what I thought. But we're not done. Next thing is 100. We need to hit 100. So how awesome would that be if we hit 100,000 before the end of the year? I think we can do it. I think we can do it. We may have to get potioned up. But yeah, I absolutely think we can do this, man. And you know, here's the deal. This channel is started for a couple reasons. Obviously, we want to educate, right? We want to spread the barbecue love out into the world. We want to entertain. We want you to come here, have a good time, feel safe. But, you know, in the end, it's all about friends and family. Because in the end, that's all that really matters. Doesn't matter how much money you got, how many toys you got. None of that stuff. Doesn't matter. And this is a family to me. This is a perfect family. So, I want to thank you guys. Funny story. This right here. James H. Moore. This is Enid, Oklahoma. You got to give it up to people like this. I have these in my office for a reason. This isn't my immediate family. But in a way it is. Let me get this turned around for you. You see, this was his butcher shop in Enid, Oklahoma. And them's him and his people. Right there. Right there. You see them? So what we do around here, yeah, it's for fun. We love to entertain. We love to educate. But in the end, it's about carrying on traditions. Carrying on traditions. I can't say that. Traditions. Traditions. Yeah. In the end, it's about carrying on traditions. I forgot my whiskey. And that's exactly what Mr. Moore has done. And Mr. Moore after him. And Mr. Moore after him. So, obviously I'm Mr. Cosmo. And I'm not a butcher. But that's okay. We can still carry on the tradition. So man, I want to thank each and every one of you guys. And for making this possible, honestly. It's been a long road, but we just begun. So man, do me a solid. If you hadn't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Join the family. We would love to have you. Now let's go see if everybody else knows what today is. You know what today is?
What's today?
You don't know?
Do not know.
Today we hit 50,000 subs on YouTube.
Heck yeah. It's all because of me.
Come on, man. Ramp it up.
No.
Here, let's do it again. Ramp up your enthusiasm. Today we hit 50,000 subs on YouTube.
What? No way.
Come on.
Are you here to congratulate me?
Yeah.
Because it was my video that put us over the top?
Man, if we didn't have that pineapple dump video, Where would we be?
Emphasis on dump.
Say it again.
We should have called it pineapple double dump cake. Something. It could, I don't know, man. It could. I don't think it could have been worse. Do you?
No, I don't think it could have been worse.
I know I said it 72 times, but Kosmo was out of town.
Hey, we thank you for your service.
No, it's fine. Just do whatever needs to be done.
Oh, I hear you. You know what today is?
Friday.
Huh?
Friday.
No. Today is the day we hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube.
June 7th.
June 7th. Those that don't know, this is my daughter, Dessa.
Hi.
She just started working here when?
The 23rd.
23rd, you're right. I looked at your hire date today.
Yeah.
So if you're around, come up. She'll be working the storefront. Come up and say hi to her. Come on. Let me tag you on Instagram too.
Oh.
Hey, you know what today is?
Friday.
No!
The day
Today
after.
we hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Woo!
That's what I'm talking about. High five right there. My man.
That's right.
Vince, my man. So hey man, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us week in and week out, growing this thing to 50,000 subscribers. Now let's hit 100. So as always, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.